How to add a new user. Once you've subscribed to Proficient Lawyer, you can now add members of your office to the workspace created to form your office network. You have to first log in to the Proficient Lawyer web app from your browser. Then on the top right corner, you can find the drop box containing details of your subscription and other details. And just above the logout option, you can find an option for Manage User. Once you click the Manage User, a dialog box appears and you can see an Add New User button. When you click on that, a prompt to fill the details of the new user appears. The details including first name, last name and their contact details can be listed in that dialog box. Be sure to add the details which is given by them while they are signing up to Proficient Lawyer. Once the correct details are given, the subscriber can choose whether to give the newly added member the title of super user or sub user to assist you in managing your office. Super user will have all the privileges that of a subscriber, while sub user will be restricted from some features like adding a user, removing a user, adding a case and deleting a case.